Looking for flexible, reliable AV tools that work on set and in the studio? I've got you covered. Watch how we use Ikan gear every day. Here's the Ikan PT-415-TM. It's a professional-grade, fully integrated system that includes a 15-inch high-bright beam splitter display with 1,000 nits of brightness, a front-facing talent monitor, and a built-in tally light. It supports both HDMI and 3G SDI inputs and gives you everything you need in one package. No extra components or setup hassles. Now let's talk about mobility. The E-Image EI-7004B Universal Tripod Dolly. It's studio ready and rated for up to 132 pounds, making it compatible with a wide range of tripod systems. Built-in cable guards help prevent snags, and heavy-duty locking casters keep your setup locked in place. It's an essential tool for busy floors where repositioning needs to be fast and secure. Next is the E-Image EG06C2, a carbon fiber tripod system that's lightweight, durable, and built for the field. It includes carbon fiber legs and the GH06 fluid head, supporting up to 13.2 pounds. Ideal for mirrorless cameras, DSLRs, or compact cine rigs. With its two-stage design and mid-level spreader, it sets up quickly and performs well even on uneven terrain. For heavier rigs, check out the E-Image EG20A2D tripod kit. This one's built for larger camera systems and teleprompters with a GA102 aluminum tripod, GH20 fluid head, and a dolly included in the kit. You get 8 levels of counterbalance and buttery smooth pan and tilt motion. It supports payloads up to 44 pounds, making it ideal for pro-level setups. Plus the added mobility of the dolly, a great fit for studio and control room applications. All of these Ikan solutions are in stock and shipping now from your friends at Markertek. Markertek, America's broadcast supply house.